Hello friends! Now we are starting file operations in Java programming. So let's begin with how to create a file and write data into it. In Java, we have many classes we can use for file operations. So one of them is FileWriter. This class is used to write data to a file. I come here and I will use FileWriter as I told you. When I press enter, the import statement is automatically added at the top. So let's give our FileWriter object a name. For example, let's call it my file. And then I say equals to, and then we write new FileWriter. And then inside the parentheses, we must specify the file name we want to write to. For example, I want to write to text.txt file. Alright. So as you see, you may notice it's underlined in red. That's because this line can throw an IO exception and handle exception type IO exception. So we need to handle it with try catch block. Right now that's not an error, but we need to use a try catch block to handle potential errors. For example, if something goes wrong with the file, an IO exception will be thrown. So that's why I open my try catch block and then I cut it. So I write inside the try block. If I have any exception, I will give my message to the screen. So that's why I use system.out.println and inside the parentheses I use e.getMessage. Alright. So let's write something into the file using the write method. For example, I want to write my name to the file. For doing this, what's my object name? My file. And then after dot notation, I use write method. So inside this, I write my name. So after I use \n for going to the next line. And then in the next line, I want to write my surname. So that's why I use boss here. So as you see, I have a warning. You see resource leak. My file is never closed. So after writing the file, we must close it. How can I close it? Using close method. What's my object name? My file. So after I use close method. That's all. So as you see, I haven't any text here. But if I run my code, I run it, you see text.txt appears in this folder. So I come here, you see I have written John, and in the next line I have written boss successfully. I hope you understand it. It's easy, right? See you in the next lesson.